Okay, so for this term assignment, we want you to engage thoughtfully with the patterns you see here on the figure. It should show your reflection on these patterns using one of the 4 theories that we've covered this term. And so these reflections should go beyond those personal perspectives that we've been using to approach the data so far and integrate reasoning from the theories that we've been discussing, all right? So any questions? All right, see you next week.
我觉得就跟我们上次写分析一样嘛，只不过就是用这个表而已。
我上次的得分很低，我觉得这次的论文应该就是看图写论文，就像他说的一样。
对对对，就是用这4个理论中的一个来分析数据。
应该是这样吧，我都忘了。我们待会儿见再说呗。
好。
Well, I'm looking at the graph here and wondering where to start.
Maybe start with the graph shows, like on the x-axis and the y-axis.
How about where do we start writing the theory? I'm thinking first start summarizing the theory and then talking about the graph.
I would start with the graph though. We should introduce the theory as background for analyzing the graph. So maybe the theory comes up in the writing about the data.
Well, hey, let's work together on this, okay?
Okay.
Maybe we can decide on the same organization of the assignment, have the same outline, but use different theories in our assignment. That way we can learn from each other about applying the different theories.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I think I pretty much know what the instructor is asking for. We learned about this in our writing course last year. This assignment is called data commentary. I found a description of this kind of writing from the handout. The data commentary has 3 general parts. It begins with an indicative summary, which just says like figure 1 shows and blah 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 blah. And then the title of the figure in the single phrase. This writing should be descriptive, factual. And then the second part is called the highlighting statement, where we have to choose the most relevant patterns in the data to focus on. This writing should be descriptive too. That patterns in the data must be visible as seen in the figure. The third part of data commentary is the interpretation section, where we write about the implications of the patterns, like why they arise, then explain the factors or the consequences of patterns. In this section, the writing is more interpretive, so there is more speculation, suggestions, hedging. I think that's about it. Okay. Can I join one of your study groups for this assignment?
Sure,
Yeah,
please.
welcome.